Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by logging into your Google account and immediately adjusting ad controls. This reduces personalized search ads. Once done, open ad settings and disable ad personalization, opt out of third-party data sharing, and remove ad topics. Then install a reputable ad blocker extension. uBlock Origin is lightweight, and enable it specifically for search. Google.com. You do this because personalization and browser scripts are the main delivery methods. Cutting both lowers ad relevance and visibility, while you proceed to deeper steps. Once ad blocking extension is active, you tighten network-level filters. Configure your browser to block or filter known ad domains and scripts, adding search ad endpoints if needed. Next, switch to a privacy-focused DNS or an ad-blocking resolver that blocks ad domains at the DNS level. This stops many ad calls before they reach your browser. Make sure to disable unnecessary extensions that inject scripts and clear cookies, and cache to remove trackers that recreate personalized ads. These steps together change both local and network behavior. You finish by validating changes. Test Google Search in incognito and a different browser to ensure ads are gone. If you still see ads, inspect your host's file and router DNS settings for overrides, and check device or enterprise profiles that reinstate ad settings. Also review extension exceptions and any site-specific allow lists. If things go wrong, temporarily disable VPNs or proxy services, reboot devices, and reapply your ad blocker rules. This resolves common conflicts and ensures the blockers take effect immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.